Hey guys, so it is about 2:30 and it's a Saturday and my daughter had a friend over today playing earlier on and the house is a mess. Toys everywhere. I let them play, do what they wanted, but she is in bed. My husband is at the grocery store, so I'm gonna use this time to clean everything up. So I'm gonna pick up all the toys and all the different areas of the house, and then I want to clean. That includes mopping and vacuuming, and I'll show you actually what I have planned. So I have my little list here of things that I want to get done. Let me try to get it to focus. So my little list here that I'm gonna focus on, like mopping, vacuuming, wiping appliances down, dusting, the whole shebang. So I'm gonna get going. I'm gonna hopefully get it done within an hour because my daughter typically takes about a 2-hour nap. We're going to dinner tonight, so I need to be ready, and 2 hours, and I also wanna get in a quick workout, so I gotta try to get everything done in this 2-hour nap. Hopefully she takes a 2-hour nap. So I'm gonna get going. Hopefully I can get all this cleaning done in an hour, and then I'll have my other hour, do a quick workout and a quick shower. So let's go. All right, it is currently 2:31. Sorry, 2:31. So hopefully I'm done by 3:30.
Way, oh, way, oh. life, I'm so happy.
Guys, I am done and I am sweating a little bit, a little out of breath because I was working very hard, trying to move very fast, and I didn't actually make the time. I'm 1 minute, trying to get it to focus, 1 minute over. Whew. But that's okay. I'm pretty happy with what I did. I got everything done and my daughter's still sleeping. So I'm gonna go work out and then shower and then have some relaxation and some fun tonight with my husband and my daughter. So I will see you guys next time. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this type of video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.